Welcome to the podcast where today we're diving into the exciting world of game development with a focus on the Flutter-based engine called Flame. So what exactly is Flame? Well, it's an open-source game engine designed particularly for creating games using Flutter. If you've ever thought of making your own game, whether it's for fun or to launch into the gaming universe, Flame is a really cool tool to consider. Now let's break down what makes Flame so special. One standout feature is its game loop, a fundamental part of any game engine that manages the game's runtime. And then there's a component object system. This system helps developers focus on building their games without getting bogged down in the underlying details. It's like having a fantastic recipe that tells you step by step how to create a delicious dish. Flame also supports effects and particles, which can add a whole new layer of visual excitement to games. Imagine creating a magical spell that flourishes with glittering particles or the thrilling explosions that add drama when an enemy is defeated. The possibilities are endless, and let's not forget about collision detection and input handling. These features ensure players can interact with the game environment seamlessly, so when you jump on an enemy in your platformer, the game recognizes that impact. It's these little details that make games feel responsive and fun. Now, if you're thinking about using Flame, you'll be pleased to know that it can be augmented with various bridge packages. These allow you to integrate with other Flutter packages for things like audio playback, state management, or even physics simulations. For instance, do you want to add background music or sound effects? You'd use Flame Audio. Or maybe you want a physics engine for realistic interactions? That's where Flame Void comes in. Let's talk a bit about the community around Flame. There's a vibrant group of developers you can connect with on their Discord server or via Stack Overflow. Ever have a question while developing your game? You're not alone. The Flame community is there to help, which is awesome. And for anyone considering diving deeper or contributing, there's room to do so. Whether you've spotted a bug, have a suggestion for an enhancement, or want to jump in and help out with code, the Flame team welcomes contributions. Just follow their guidelines, and you'll be part of this fantastic ecosystem of game development. Now, before we wrap up, let's reflect on the opportunities Flame offers for aspiring game developers. With its comprehensive features, support for plugins, and an engaging community, it's almost like holding the keys to your own game development workshop. So, if you're feeling inspired, give Flame a try. And remember, creating games isn't just about coding. It's about storytelling, creativity, and connecting with others. Thanks for tuning in, and keep dreaming big. Maybe your game will be the next big hit. Until next time.